Low Carb Breakfast Foods. Living a low-carb lifestyle isn't always easy, and if you get off track first thing in the morning, you'll be playing catch-up on your carb limits all day. Mixed berry cereal. This fruity cereal, bursting with the taste of mixed berries, is pre-portioned to ensure that you get the perfect balance between taste and optimal nutrition every morning. $14.50. Chocolate peanut butter cereal. There's no reason to skip breakfast because if you love cereal in the morning, or a snack, this high-protein, gluten-free, cereal is a great mix of flavor and nutrition that will keep you coming back for more. $14.50. Traditional oatmeal cereal. Try traditional oatmeal the blissful wellness way. Now you can enjoy that great stick-to-the-ribs filling oatmeal while getting high-protein and low-carb options. We dare you to tell us you can taste the difference. $14.50. Rich cocoa cereal. Bait-tasting cocoa cereal that is as good as what you remember as a child. But you can enjoy this cocoa cereal with high protein and no carb guilt. $14.50. Honey nut cereal. Sweet-tasting honey nut cereal that is as good as what you remember as a child. But you can have this honey nut cereal with high protein and no carb guilt. $14.50. Visit the link in the description below for more information.